Hey guys, welcome to another video. Today we're gonna be working on a small job, so let me show you here what we're doing today. So as you can see, the walls coming apart, coming away from the house, and looks like that's because they had no wall ties between the brickwork and the house, and that's why this is coming apart. Yeah, so I had to take this down and rebuild. So that's what I'm gonna be doing today, and let's get started. You know, I'm afraid that the whole thing is gonna come down. I see it has a wire mesh in the back. That's why is the whole structure connected. So I think it might be easier just to pull my truck away from here and just let this thing drop on the driveway. Ready? Here we go. This is all it has as wall ties. That's why it came off. Look, one nail right there, two nails, three nails, 4, 5. You got more nails down here than it had up there. So that's the reason. That's why it came. It was falling apart from the wall. He just started to have a leak out there. See? So it was a good decision to get this fixed now. Yeah, that was a good decision. Otherwise, he would have that water would cause problems in the future. So that's good. Okay, so now what I gotta do is I gotta cover this with file paper and start building back up. Okay, I'll see you guys in a little bit. Alright guys, I just finished setting up. That's all my pads. I had them all cut. I have my lines on there. I have the file paper on there. So I'm ready to start. So I'm gonna start mixing some water. And yeah, I'm ready to go. Right guys, now we're gonna be doing here I'm gonna show you the wall ties. This is what we're gonna do. This is what we've been doing. This is what keeps your wall tight against the other one. Now, those screws will hold the wall. And that's what I'm gonna be doing on every, I don't know, every 2 feet. Yeah, okay, so I'll keep going. I just wanted to show you this so you can see what I'm doing here. Right, guys, I'm already half the way up. Yeah, half of the column built. So, okay, I'll carry on. Right, guys, I just finished this job, and all I had to do, I had to brush the joints, that's all. And but now I finished it. I noticed this piece of siding or cover here is twisted, so I'm gonna try a couple of nails and see if I can fix this. And it also needs caulking in here. So I'll see if I have some caulking in my truck, and I'll fill these gaps here. There on there, you should have always caulking on there. Yeah, it doesn't have any there, but it should. So, right, it worked. Look nice now. Had a couple of finishing nails in here. Got cleared it up. This seems fine. So I just gotta fill like these gaps here with caulking to prevent any water from going in. But that's it. I just finished this job, and as I was cleaning, I find out that this piece here, instead of being file paper, this is just cardboard. Look. Look how it's ripped. This piece here, it should be waterproof to stop any moisture going onto the back of the brake on there, and stop any moisture from getting on the back and touching your plywood. But anyways, this is finished. That's how it looks. This is pretty clean, and I think the brake matches pretty good with the old brake. So anyways, I just wanted to show you this, and yeah, I'll see you on the next video, next job.